Sponsored products and sponsored brand adverts are shown to customers on the Amazon platform based on keyword searches that they have made. These adverts are good at catching customers when they're in the purchase stage of their customer journey. They're on the Amazon website and they're looking for products to buy. These adverts are used for driving extra sales. And as we've covered in the search module, the organic performance of a listing is based on its sales history. So as a new product, you can improve the sales history of your product by driving traffic to that product using sponsored ads. The two main programs are sponsored products and sponsored brands. Sponsored products drives traffic to individual products and can be used by retailers and also brand owners. Sponsored brands is only available to companies that have registered a brand on Brand Registry. This program will drive traffic to specific pages on the branded storefront or to individual product detail pages. Both of these programs are charged on a pay-per-click basis. That means that the customer chooses the amount of money that they want to spend on a click, and they are charged every time an advert is clicked. The average advertising cost of sale is 27%. That means that for every £1 of revenue, the average advertiser will spend 27 pence on advertising if they use this program. Any spend on advertising is on top of the Amazon referral fee, which is typically 15% for items sold. This next slide shows the relationship between Amazon paid search and Amazon natural search. Using Amazon paid search will drive traffic to a listing, improves its sales, collecting reviews. This in turn will improve the ranking of the listing because the ranking of an Amazon listing is due to its historical performance. Creating an optimized listing with good photos, good description and rich content will improve the conversion rate of that listing and reduce the advertising cost of sale for Amazon pay-per-click advertising programs. Now let's look at the different programs that Amazon offers. Sponsored Products is a program that promotes individual products. These adverts appear within the product listing pages and the shopping results. Clicking on the ad will direct the user to a product's detail page. Now let's have a look at one of these ads in action. This page shows the results for a search for Coolbox. You can see at the top these results which are listed as sponsored. These are the sponsored listing results. If we now look at a product detail page and we scroll down the page, we'll see here another list of sponsored results. Here it says here sponsored. So these are products which are triggered by keywords either in the product listing itself or in the search. The sponsored brands advertising type promotes a collection of products. These can appear on the product detail pages and on the search results, just like the sponsored product adverts. They feature a custom headline and a logo and image. If you click on one of the products featured, it will take the customer directly to the product detail page for that product. Alternatively, they can click on the headline or logo and will either be taken to the brand storefront or a page featuring a collection of products. Let's now have a look at these adverts in action. Here we have a sponsored brands ad which has been triggered by the keyword socks. If we click on this logo here, it will take us to a specific landing page for a subset of those products. If we click on a product itself, we will be taken directly to that product. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.